This video will provide an overview of a new workflows feature for OASIS 23 IIHS VTC videos. It allows you to perform the videos outlined in Section 6.2 of the IIHS Whiplash Prevention Evaluation Protocol. The tool attempts to calculate the camera positions automatically based on model entities you define in Primer. You can then adjust and save the views to be reused to capture the videos for future LS-DYNA runs and export the views as videos in D3.0. You can also automate the process with a reporter template. First, let's look at the setup in Primer. Read in your model, then in the Tools menu, click on Workflows, scroll to the bottom and find VTC videos. Once the GUI opens, select the protocol as IIHS Whiplash Prevention. Next, using the drop-down, select the unit system of your model. Check your database, binary D3.0 The protocol states the output interval should be 1 millisecond or less. If you update this, then rerun in ANSYS LS-DYNA to get the updated output files. Next, select 1 as a minimum, or ideally 3 fixed reference nodes. This is the reference frame that holds the sled in position during the videos. For the video output file names to be correct, select your crash pulse using the combo box and type in your year make model, such as 2025 Ford Fiesta. There might be some parts you wish to blank during all the videos, for example the windscreen. Press the right arrow for multiple selection or picking options, or manually type the parts in the text box. You need to select a directory to save the property files that D3.0 will use to define the camera positions. These can then be reused for subsequent LS-DYNA runs. Click on the directory icon and select a file location in the File Explorer window. Finally, save the workflow data to a .json file, or you can save it to your model and write the keyword file from Primer. Now, the next time you open the workflow in Primer, your data will be automatically pre-populated. In D3.0, load in your model and then in the Tools menu click on Workflows, then select VTC videos. Step 1 is to calculate the views. Use the checkboxes to control which views you wish to calculate. When you click Calculate View, property files are generated and saved in the directory you defined in Primer. Step 2 is to verify and update the views. Click the View buttons to see each view in turn. If you aren't satisfied with the view calculated, you can manually adjust the view by moving the camera position. I wasn't satisfied with the top view, so I will click the Top View button, make changes, and then click on Top, Update and Save. The final step is to set video start, interval and end time, remembering that the protocol states the videos be taken from time 0 to at least the end of head contact time with the head restraint plus 10 milliseconds, with at least 1 time step per millisecond. Finally, press Export Videos. You can also use Reporter, click on the Automotive tab, filter by VTC videos and then select IIHS Whiplash Prevention Evaluation VTC videos. You'll be prompted to select the LS-DYNA keyword file of the job you wish to post-process and the location of results and output directories. If you haven't set up your workflow data in Primer, or there is an error with your data, then Primer will open to allow you to create or make changes. Once valid, D3.0 will launch automatically to generate the report and use any previously saved property files. On the first page of the report, an overview of the results is presented. The following pages show each view in more detail. If you are not satisfied with any of the camera angles, click Edit View to update the camera positions. This will fire off D3.0 with a simplified version focusing on one view of the VTC videos GUI. You can run Reporter in batch mode to automate the IIHS VTC videos process. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us.